Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe guys you are doing good. Today is another opportunity, another golden opportunity, guys. I just want to share some information here about our TFX candle formation EA, because I believe some have been seeing the results. You know, every time we will have to show the result from our EA to prove that every EA now is working great, guys. And you don't have to fear to think which one you are supposed to start with. Again, it will determine with your also equity and all of our EA. You can trade even from $100 and above, and it can give you a good result, and 10% of growth of your account that is guaranteed almost every day. 10% of the growth of your account, and all you need is to get more mentorship or advice from TFX team. So guys, today I'm just going to share some details here about our candle formation EA, and I'm going to talk about the strategy 6, our last strategy. I'm not going to start with the strategy 1. And remember, hearing that there is 6 strategy in that EA, it means it's like 6 EA in one, 6 robot in one system, my friend. This is why even selling our EAs in $500, it's very cheap. No, though I know not all can afford that, but it's very affordable. Especially it's like buying, like this one is like buying 6 EAs in one system. And I will be covering one EA or one strategy after the other, step by step, so that you can get full understanding. The first strategy I'm going to talk about today, it is the strategy 6, whereby it is the one that we sent by default, and I will tell you why. Because you know, we have new beginners in Forex market. They don't know exactly which time frame to trade in, and also they always have information that it is good to trade to take trades in or small time frame, based from analysis from big time frame, and maybe it comes hard for them. There is a lot of people also have been struggling to learn about the candle formations, and this is why this one is a candle formation to help people, you know, and we choose the reliable candle formation. But unless you have your special request to add others, for us, we picked the reliable candle formation, because also for the experience that we have in the Forex market. So let's jump in and see what is there. Now I'm going to talk about the strategy 6, that is robot number 6. This one is for the candle 4. So let's start here. Which one is this one? Volatility 10. So when working with the strategy 6, after installation, and I do believe you are following our videos, guys, I say this, it is good also to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that you can get updated every time we release the videos. And I said it is good to watch all videos. It doesn't matter which system you have, because there is some information maybe we might release in some videos there, and maybe you might lack them. You know, you for watching all this video, it helps you to add more knowledge and understanding about our system, and also it educates you, my friend, how to play with these things even in your demo account before apply them. I always say there is like one guy who followed our videos, and he gave us a setting that surely it works great. It's only because he was following the video, he played with the settings in demo account, and he came out with a special setting whereby they work great even in Nairobi system. So guys, this is why you are supposed to be watching all videos, so that it can give you more knowledge of our system, because trust me not, you'll never ever fail with this system that this time around. The system that we released, my friend, they are very, very profitable. You can witness that in our Telegram channel. So guys, follow us if you're watching on a YouTube channel or Facebook, wherever you are, guys. You can follow our link that we'll share there in our description, so that you can join even our Telegram. You'll be seeing the result each and every day. We release, my friend, result each and every day. So let us start. So when working with strategy 6, you must work with two charts. One which will be for the signal. Let's say, for instance, this one, it is good to do scalping in 15 minutes time frame, and the other one, it is good to pick the robot to pick signal from 4 hours time frame, or even a daily time frame. Yeah, you can choose any big time frame from 4 hours and above. That is according to you. But by default, my advice is here, start with H4, because some people are not patient enough. This is why I started with strategy 6, because some people are not patient enough. They want quick money, they want to do scalping. But I must help you to do it professionally, without failing, without messing. You can go even to 5 minutes lower time frame than 15 minutes. But I'm going to give with the 15 minutes as what I've been doing a lot, or practicing, or maybe trading in 15 minutes and 4 hours. But you can go lower time frame in your demo account after setting this by default in your real account. So if you have this one, it is good to work with 4 hours and 15 minutes, and I will show you why. Now, the first one, for small time frame, let's say for instance 15 minutes, because this is what you'll be doing before you discover for your own other time frame. But for me, use 15 minutes and 4 hours. So let's jump in, my friend. You'll find that this is where we attach the EA in 15 minutes. In 4 hours, we attach the handle. There is a candle formation handle. You just click like that. What is it? What is there, guys? I just want to show something here. We have, let me go to indicators. We have handle, zone handle, which is this one, indicate support and resistance from big time frame, so that you can understand where or when the EA pick the trades. You can confirm from big time frame from 4 hours if it is the right trade. The second one, it is the super D. Sorry, the sub D is the one shows draws the zones here, or support and resistance, and it must have handle. This one, it's what it will be giving the robot the signal from big time frame. So for instance, if you are working every pair that you're working with, or index that you're working with, I'm saying that because some love to trade pairs. If you're trading pairs, well and good. Candle formation, it will still trade pairs. So let us insert two charts. I say if you are working with, let's say, Crash 500, let's say V75, you must work with two charts. All right, two charts. You must keep that in mind. One for small time frame, and the big time frame where you are picking signal from. So we are talking about 15 minutes here. Yeah, let me show something here. We are talking about the 15 minutes and 4 hours. So what is in 15 minutes? It is the EA. What is in 4 hours, guys? It is the sub D, and let me set it here. It is the sub D with a setting of 5. I really love this setting, 5 and 11.5 for short and long trades. And this is where we set 4 hours. I'm just showing you, I'm showing you this so that maybe you can set it for yourself. But we sent you with, we'll make sure that we sent you with a template which contains all those ones. So, but in case if you miss anything there, guys, make sure you can do it even for yourself. This is why it's good to watch videos, so that you can understand what is going on here for a minute. Yeah, after inserting the sub D, the next one is handle, because now we are picking signal from there. Just double click and check that box. Then from there, all you need to do is to save that template now, and this is why I save this template. what? Into a candle formation handle. So I can double click because it is good to know. So you must have these two templates, especially one with the EA and one for the handles. If you're working with the strategy 6, that's what you are supposed to do. From there, you can work with any time frame. So let us go again to V75 4 hours. Let's go for 4 hours and place our handle there. And let's go to 15 minutes here. This is where you pick the one with the EA. And in case of anything, there is no EA. It's good to learn to do these things for your own. In case there is no template with the EA there, it's very simple. You just come to this folder with a candle formation. You double click here and you click OK. Right? That's all. Or else, if there is that template, you just pick it from the templates. If you install it correctly with our template, so it will contain the EA, so there is no problem. So guys, the second thing now I just want you to learn, it's about how these stuffs work. Let me delete this one. Let me delete them all. Let's go back to our 75 so that I can give a simple example here. So one must be with 15 minutes. That one is with the EA, and the other one it's from 4 hours. That is with the handle, because now it's picking trades from this point. The reason why it's called candle formation, let me set this one. It is because of, let me give an example with this free online indicator here. As you can see, let me zoom in. As you can see, there is a bullish pencil here. There is a bull cross. There is a golfing. There is again bull cross. At this point, I'm giving this as an example. You're coming from a support here. As you can see, there is a bullish golfing. There is a bull cross again, indicating that this buy is still strong. There is a support here, and we have a bull here. Again, we have a bullish person here at this point, and we have a support. So this tells you in small time frame with this one, let's jump to 15 minutes, as long as there is a buy in 4 hours time frame, in small time frame, it will be buy, right? And in small time frame, let me insert again that indicator. It tells you if there is a resistance, like let's say for instance, like this point, there is a resistance here, and this is why this market is dropping, and there is a golfing bearish, a golfing here, there is a bull bearish close, as you can see here. It tells you that this market is dropping, and we all know, as a traders, we all know the power of this candle formation. We all know, and this is the trick that many traders they are outside. They jumped this topic from when they were learning about the forex. It's a very tiresome topic, by the way, about the formation of the candles, and a lot of people there, they would like to know about the formation of these candles, but sometimes when they look on their chart, they saw everything is similar. They look like all these candles, it's like they are the same. But there are those people who are really making a lot of money using the candle formation after doing the chart analysis or their price action. They are, and after identifying those candle formations, my friend, they make a lot of money. And as a forex company, we know that this is very, very, very profitable. And this is why we said, instead of people struggling there learning the candle formation, why don't we do that for the EA, program the EA, so that it can be trading all those formation for you guys? You have seen here, we have a bullish, a golfing, we have a bull cross. Let's jump here, my friend. You'll still find there is a bear cross, we have bearish golfing, we have dark crowd. Let us click here in our EA, which is robot, and see when we say it is this strategy is pattern, sub D patterns and handle. We say in our EA here, it trades bullish. These are bull cross. bear cross, and we have a golfing. All these reliable, even pencil is here. All these reliable candle formations, they are coded with the EA, so it won't miss wherever there is those golfing, wherever there is a bear cross, wherever there are those bulls cross. The only thing we disconnected from that is things like hanging man, we have doji. But if you want them, they are there. We can activate them, because we deactivate them because they are not reliable more than this bull cross, dark cloud, and also golfing. But if you want to, you can send that as a special request, my friend. But for us, we picked those which we saw that they are really working wonderfully. So guys, it is very simple. So the EA will be picking signal after this resistance and candle formation in 4 hours. So it will do that also in small time frame. So now they must line. If there is a resistance in 4 hours time frame, it is the same thing. It is the same thing it will be doing in small time frame. It will wait for a resistance, which is this one, sub D, and also a candle formation in small time frame. So this means you can work even 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minutes, you can jump even to 5 minutes, but it must have all the EA will wait to see the support, all resistance. If now we are coming from the resistance like this place, in 15 minutes, it will only be selling, selling, selling according to the signal that is there in 4 hours time frame. I believe you are getting what I'm saying. So if it is a selling, it must wait in small time frame to have a resistance and also a candle formation. When I say candle formation, I mean they must have a bull cross, bear cross, a golfing. They must have those reliable formation to line with big time frame, so that it can give a perfect entry according to the signal that is there in 4 hours time frame. So they must line. If it is a buy thing, like here, if like here in 4 hours there was this zone and there was a kind of formation here for bullish engulfing. With this bullish engulfing, it is the same thing it will have done in 15 minutes. It must buy if there is a support also and other candle formation, that that gives you confidence, or that gives you assurance that that market is lining with 4 hours and now it must buy. Right? I believe now, guys, you are getting what I'm saying. So let us jump again to another. Can give an example. Let's jump even to this jam 100. We can go to step index. You can trade anything, whether they are normal currencies, that it doesn't matter. So let's go again to 4 hours. This is a step index. Let's big time frame, of course, is handle, and small time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes again, or even 10 minutes. In 10 minutes now, let us insert our EA there. So always remember, in small time frame, it is where you attach the templates which contains the EA. But the big time frame where you are picking signal, even if it is from the daily time frame, guys, because that one you have to practice that in your demo account. This tells you also it will be picking signal according to the settings that are there in a big time frame. So let's say, for instance, now this is step index in daily time frame, and we are scalping this one in small time frame. And as you can see, our step index now, it is in a bullish way, because you can see we are coming from a bull zone, because this is a bullish zone from this area. And when we jump to minute 10, you can see there is also a support at this point. So let us attach our indicator here for the candle formation so that it can give you a good example. As you can see here, we have a bullish engulfing this point. And as long as here we are coming from the support, guys, trust me not, this one, it will buy, again, then bullish engulfing, buy, right? Another one here, buy. So you see, it won't sell. It won't go against the market. So as the professional says, that it is good to trade according to the direction of the market, never trade against the market. This is what tells you that the EA here, it will done everything for you. So let's go back to our 4 hours time frame, because this is where we want to take this trade from for 4 hours. The small time frame you can choose even less than 15, but for me, my advice for now, this is what has been so profitable. The result you have been seeing there from the candle formation in our Telegram, it is between 4 hours and 15 minutes. As you can see here in 15 minutes, let me insert EA again. We are coming from a support here in 4 hours time frame. So what are you expecting in small time frame? It is a buy thing. So let us insert again, attach our indicator here. As you can see, there is a bull cross. After support, there is a bull cross. And after the moment the bull cross will appear, it won't just buy because this is a bull cross candle. It won't just buy because the bull cross has already appeared. It will wait for that candle to close to make sure it is a true bull cross. Then after there, the second candle, which is this one, it is what now the EA will pick the trade from this candle after confirming, after the closing price, of the bull cross candle, engulfing or dark ground. After the closing of that candle formation, the next candle, it is what the EA will pick the trade from, because it is a confirmed support and a confirmed a candle formation. This is why we release unbelievable results, because to many it's unbelievable because of how you have been struggling in market. But trust me, no, it is what it is, guys, because it must confirm it correctly, perfectly, and professionally. So it can't just boom in because of it have notice of sense the candle formation. No, it must line. Everything must say the same. So that is how simple it is, guys. Working with this strategy 6, you work with 4 hours and 15 minutes. 15 minutes is for the EA, and the big time frame it's for the handle. And always remember this: when working with this one, don't just enjoy you are making good money. You can make more money after doing some testing, even in your demo account, before applying in real account, because this is why we say learn and earn at the same time. We give you the default setting for helping you earn, and we release videos to educate you or to give you full mentorship guides so that you can know what to do, how to set them, blah blah blah, so that when you get the another right thing, even maybe better than the one we give it unto you guys, then you can apply that in your real account. You can ask why these guys are releasing videos and these are the EA. They would have said this is EA, blah blah, and share the result, and then boom. No, guys, it is good to get education. It is good also to get good enough knowledge of how to work with things, because how will you buy like this kind of formation with the 6 EA in one, yet you only know how to work with one? And this is why, guys, you have, trust me, you have to watch every video to get more knowledge, and don't waste your time. All you need is to get at least one of our EA so that you can earn and learn as you continue learning from even other videos, so that you can even purchase other system after system, because you will never say enough for the money, my friend. We have big guys, big boys there outside. Nah, my friend, they never say enough for the money. So why you guys? So fight your fear, guys, because whether you believe it or not, that is a professional EA that will work like that one. So that's how simple it is. So you can earn and learn. So even today you can jump in and purchase this DFX candle formation. Then from there you can continue watching video. You don't need all. We send when sending the EA, we send with the default setting that will help you start milking market from that time. So don't just sit there and say, oh, I haven't watched enough video about this. You don't need more videos. You need to earn and start watching those videos that you want. Don't just say you don't have enough time to think or to know what blah blah blah. No, we'll help you with enough. All you need is to watch about the installation correctly so that you can install things correctly. Then from there, it will start earning for you. Then you can learn the other basics in others' videos. So it is not thing that you need 40 videos for you to understand how our robots work. No, you only need to purchase. Even our team can even help you to make sure that you have installed correctly and to make sure that everything is working perfectly. As you earn, my friend, you can continue now learning the basics wherever you want in others' videos. So that is for today, guys. See you next time. And once again, welcome to TFX family. We love you guys and let us milk market together. Thank you.